Hi, today we will have a look inside this aircraft instrument. It is one of my few ones with a combination of analog and digital display, made here with 4 Minitron displays. So it is some kind of temperature indicator from minus to plus 60 degrees Celsius. We have here a label, do not do, it is a French made instrument, so do not do test, insulation test. And here is the manufacturer plate, made by Brion Leroux Aeronautic. Serial number 165, model number, all these difficult to read digits here. Date code of 30 December 1983. On the rear we just have a regular plug, square case made of aluminium. So in order to save some time I did already undo most of the screws, and I have just one left here, and it allows to slide open the thing. So here is the inside of the case with the front glass still attached and the diffuser thing for the displays. And here is what it looks inside. So it is a construction of circuit boards connected together with interconnect pins like here. Here is what looks the front side, the front panel, without the case. So you can see the 4 displays mounted on right angle standoffs, sockets, exactly. And this set of PCBs. So first at the back you can see the connector input. We have some kind of pretty serious grounding here with pass-through filters. These green things must be some kind of pass-through capacitors for filtering. We have this PCB here. I will not bother on doing the PCBs, but this one you can see is probably power supply. We have a big ass transformer here. Well, big, quite big transformer made by Secre, and an usual shape of a C shape core. So probably very low efficiency on this thing. The board-to-board interconnects here, filtering cap, regulators or transistors, and we have electronics to drive the actually I'm trying to follow the cables. We have a galvanometer and here the dial. It looks like it is connected on this PCB at the bottom with 3 ICs by my Motorola MC40 series. And here we have more ICs and more trim pots here. You can see, and a few probably op amps. Yes, in a regular, in a round case, metal cases, and one IC here made by Motorola MC14433P. One big one, another one here. So there is a very light conformal coating on the PCBs, but nothing too crazy. And yes, in fact, yes, if I follow the tracks, the wires going to the galvanometer, in fact, arrive on this PCB, but it looks like most of the tracks will go directly onto this PCB here. At least 2 of them. All the other ICs here are obviously responsible for driving the indicators. Okay, So nice construction, very strong. You can see the thickness here of this front piece. We have also light bulbs at the back here for backlighting, and this dial indicator must be some kind of a clear plexiglass with black paint. So it is interesting to see we have, even if this kind of instrument, we have a built-in power supply. You can clearly see the rectifier diodes here and smoothing capacitors. So there is probably a power supply, a signal input, and maybe some signal processing is made in here, as we have a bunch of ICs and transistor, and also trim pots for adjusting the instrument. Okay, so it will be all for this one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.